Tonight's officially a sellout. Super thrilled about that. Thank you so much, everyone. I'm gonna pull up the randomizer now. Got everybody in here. So gonna randomize it 10 times. We'll copy and paste in the chat and go over it verbally as well. All right, Chris J has the Hawks. Brian M's got the Celtics. Dan T has the Nets. Daryl S has the Hornets. Thomas J has the Bulls. Michael F has the Cavs. Joe R has the Mavs. Dominic C has the Nuggets. Benjamin B has the Pistons. Brian M has the Warriors. Benjamin B has the Rockets. Thomas J has the Pacers. Kevin M has the Clippers. Benjamin B's got the Lakers. Anthony J has the Grizz. Bob B has the Heat. Dominic C's got the Bucks. Thomas has got the T-Wolves. Martin has got the Pelicans. Benjamin's got the Knicks. Nicholas T has the Thunder. Thomas J has the Magic. Earl's got the 76ers. Dominic's got the Suns. Dan's got the Blazers. Martin has the Kings and Spurs. Joe R has the Raptors, Bob B has the Jazz, and Benjamin B has the Wizards. All right, so good luck to everyone. I'm not familiar with all the big spots. I know Rockets, Pistons, Magic, Cavs are really good spots. About the upside on these guys, and Cade Cunningham is certainly doing really well recently. It's good luck to everyone. We'll scroll through all the cards, but we'll probably only go through the inserts. And free throw leader CJ McCollum insert. Jason Preston rookie card. Boy, are these packs nice to open. Always nice to get a pack that's easy to open. There's a Jones Jr. Zero Gravity insert. Derek Jones Jr., right. Charles Bassey rookie card for the 76ers. And I think we might have our hit. And that's a throwback hit. Robert Parrish for the Boston Celtics. Some of you may not be familiar with Parrish, but he played for many, many years on many different teams, but definitely known for his Celtics years. Congrats to the Celtics. That's going to Brian M. Beautiful card. Hall of Fame autograph. Got a Sengun insert. Trey Mann base rookie. Keon Johnson insert, and an Evan Mobley rookie card. Scotty Lewis rookie card. Got a Joel Embiid. I cannot even read the insert. Hypnotized insert. Pretty cool looking card there. Moses Moody rookie card. Kind of an adjustment seeing some of these guys who were rookies last year now playing Jalen Suggs, Corey Kispert rookie. Seeing them in this product, and they're just regular vets. I believe this is the first product in their NBA uniforms for the rookies this year, so it's a pretty big deal. Got a purple parallel of Jamal Murray. Does not appear to be numbered. Miles McBride rookie. Got a City Edition De'Aaron Fox insert. Santi Aldama rookie card. Got a Giannis Primetime insert. And a Sengun rookie card for the Rockets. Road to the Finals, Kawhi Leonard. This is numbered 631 of 2021. And a Sharif Cooper rookie card. City Edition Steph Curry foil card. Bones Highland rookie card. Scotty Barnes insert. Isaiah Livers rookie card for the Pistons. Very nice. Got a paper parallel of Jalen Suggs for the Magic. Joe Wieskamp. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. For the Spurs as well. Really wish all parallels were numbered in this product, but still pretty nice for the Magic spot. Now playing Isaiah Jackson, or Davion Mitchell rookie card. Got a purple parallel of Eric Gordon. And a James Bouknight rookie for the Hornets. Yeah, Thomas, there's the Suggs purple right there, if that's what you're referring to on the screen. Trae Young Primetime insert. Juan Toscano Anderson rookie card for the Warriors. Road to the Finals, Luka Doncic insert, 631 out of 2021. Isaiah Jackson rookie card as well. I believe the other Road to the Finals insert we had was also numbered just of 631 out of 2021. So, oh, nice, Thomas. Congrats. I'm glad you got your team. And Suggs is a pretty good prospect, so that's pretty cool. Hoops City Edition, Anthony Edwards. Herbert Jones rookie. Got a foil card of Goran Dragic for the now with the Raptors, number to 199, and a Trey Murphy rookie card for the Pelicans. Now playing Franz Wagner and a Jalen Green base rookie. Got a Usman Garuba rookie card for the Rockets. And we got a Sean Kemp foil card, Jamtastic, not numbered. It's a pretty sweet insert right there. And a Jalen Johnson rookie card for the Hawks. High Court, Giannis, and Brandon Boston Jr. rookie card for the Clippers. That rounds out box number 1. On to box 2. Hopefully we can get a rookie auto this time around. Hoops usually has some pretty good inserts. I think they experiment a lot with these. There's a James Wiseman foil to 199. And Santi Aldama rookie card. There's a Paul George hypnotized insert. And a Scotty Barnes rookie card for the Raptors. Primetime John Morant insert. Trey Murphy III rookie card for the Pelicans. Got a purple Obi Toppin parallel and Jason Preston rookie for the Clippers. Now playing insert of Davion Mitchell and a Charles Bassey Sixers rookie card. Got a Kai Jones insert and a Trey Mann rookie card. Now playing Jalen Johnson and another Trey Man rookie. They really did not diversify things very well for us there. Hoopla insert of James Harden and a Joshua Primo rookie card. Got a Monty Morris foil card to 25. And an Usman Garuba purple parallel as well. It's Monty Morris, number 25. It's 5 out of 25. Garuba and Isaiah Todd rookie for the Wizards. City edition of LaMelo Ball. I like that card a lot. And a Josh Giddey rookie card. Giddey's having a really good rookie season. Oh! There we go. Jalen Suggs. Hot signature rookies auto. Congratulations, Thomas. Not only getting your team, but also getting your player. Jalen Suggs autograph. Very nice hit. Not numbered, I believe, but that is a beautiful card right there. Aaron Wiggins rookie card in there as well. Zaire Williams insert. JT Thor rookie. Yeah, always nice when you get your team in a break. And you get a pretty nice City Edition card there too. This is a very nice break for the Magic. Cole Anthony foil City Edition. Not numbered, but I really like the looks of those cards when they have foil. Quentin Grimes rookie as well. Moses Moody insert. Greg Brown rookie. Got an Anthony Davis Zero Gravity insert. Corey Kispert rookie card. Jared Butler rookie for the Jazz. Very nice. High voltage foil. Steph Curry. And a Chris Duarte rookie card. I like that high voltage insert a lot. This one not numbered, but very good looking card nonetheless. Primetime Bradley Beal insert. Zaire Williams rookie card. I think 5 or 6 more packs in this second box. Road to the Finals, Trae Young, 1879 out of 2021. And a Cameron Thomas rookie card for the Nets. Got another Road to the Finals insert. This time it's an NBA champion and it's pretty low numbered. Giannis Antetokounmpo, number 9 out of 499. Miles McBride rookie there as well. High Court Joel Embiid and a Davion Mitchell rookie. Would really like to get a Cunningham rookie of some sort. Obviously a nice hit, but something would be good. Joshua Primo insert. James Bouknight rookie. I don't know if they're making it hard to get those or we're just having some really bad luck. Juan Toscano Anderson. Another sweet foil insert. Legends of the Ball, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Isaiah Jackson rookie card as well. These foil cards look so good. Alright, and we're on to box number 3, the final box of this break. Oh, thanks for the heads up on Cade being a redemption. I hope we get a redemption auto. Hoopla, Kawhi Leonard, Davion Mitchell. Might be the auto, not sure. No, just a Road to the Finals insert to $9.99, $8.86 out of $9.99, Paul George. Another James Bouknight rookie as well. Seems like we're just getting the same guys over and over again on rookie cards. Got a foil card of Brick Lopez to $199. Another Toscano Anderson rookie card. Herbert Jones rookie. Got an Oscar Robertson foil card. 12-time All-Star honoree. And Isaiah Jackson rookie. City edition of Zion Williamson and a Trey Murphy rookie. And not bad. Rookie Ink Jalen Green auto for the Rockets, going to Benjamin B. Congratulations, Benjamin. So we hit the 2 Jalens here. Not so bad. Two beautiful looking cards there. I'm a big fan of both of those. Not going to complain one bit about the autos that we got in this break. I'd say that was a pretty good run. Hopefully we can stock up on some more nice rookies. High voltage of Anthony Davis and a Jalen Green rookie. Davion Mitchell primetime insert, or sorry, Donovan Mitchell primetime insert. Usman Garuba rookie card. Chris Duarte insert, Jalen Johnson rookie. Gotta get something to Cade here, something. Insert anything. Now playing Moses Moody, Brandon Boston, base rookie. Got an Anthony Edwards, Jay McDaniels, sorry. Looks similar. Purple Parallel. Isaiah Livers rookie card. Jonathan Kuminga now playing. Charles Bassey rookie. It's another rookie we've got a ton of. There we go. Cade Cunningham, Purple Parallel. Trey Man rookie as well. Very nice getting that tray. I'll take it. Congrats to the Pistons spot. Benjamin again. Dominique Wilkins, Zero Gravity, Corey Kispert. James Bouknight insert, Miles McBride rookie card. Oh wow, very nice. Foil City Edition number 225 LaMelo Ball. Santi Aldama rookie as well. Congrats to the Hornets spot. That's Daryl. That's a pretty sweet hit there. I'm a big fan of that City Edition card myself. So getting a numbered version of LaMelo is doing pretty well there. Got a foil card, highlights of Clint Capella, Scotty Barnes rookie. Primetime De'Aaron Fox and a Josh Giddey rookie card. Road to the Finals, another Giannis, number 2021. 331 out of 221, 2021 rather. Aaron Wiggins rookie. Got a foil high court card of James Harden and JT Thor rookie card. Hey, Purple Parallel of Ayo Dosunmu for the Bulls. Joshua Primo base rookie as well. Ayo's doing pretty good for the Bulls this year. City Edition Paul George, Isaiah Todd rookie. And our last pack of this break. Now playing Keon Johnson and a Jared Butler rookie. So, quick recap of the bigger hits. We got a lot of good inserts here. A lot of good foil inserts, but at the end of the day, these are probably the bigger hits here. Got the Cade Cunningham purple parallel. I'm glad we got a Cade rookie in there. Jalen Green autograph, rookie ink. Robert Parrish Hall of Fame autograph. A Jalen Suggs purple parallel. And a Jalen Suggs Hot Signatures rookies auto. And a LaMelo Ball City Edition numbered to 25. So for 3 hobby boxes, I am absolutely thrilled with this break. I think we got hopefully a little bit of something for everybody. And we got some pretty good hits of some big names in this draft class. So yeah, pretty sweet. Thanks for joining, everyone. Next week we're running 3 mega boxes of Flux and 2 Chinese New Year boxes, the Tmall boxes of 2020-21 Panini Revolution. So that's up on the website now. Please check it out. And sign up if you're interested, and we hope you'll join us for that. If you're just here for the basketball break and heading out, have a good rest of the week and good weekend, and we will hopefully see you next week. Take care.